Hi guys, my name is Lito. Today I will show for you how my colleague are doing permanent makeup tiny tattoo for ladies. Let's go to see her at her studio, Wonderland, Calgary, Canada. Why are you here?
So we traveled from Prince Albert, Saskatchewan, and we're here for her bachelorette party. And last night we had the best time ever. We went to the strip club and the clubs, and we danced all night. We sang our hearts out. And now we went for breakfast, and we just decided, you know what? Let's get a tattoo. We're getting matching tattoos, and we're excited. It's going to be a good time.
What tattoo would you like to get today?
Her and I are getting EXO, both tattooed on our butts, and those two over there are also getting another butt tattoo. I can't quite remember what they're getting, but we know that they're gonna look good.
Yeah, they're choosing, right?
Yes.
We go from there. Okay. I didn't even make sounds. I just opened my mouth. Nothing came out.
I don't do realisms, portrait, things like this, but I'm fine with this. But then that's the thing, that's your first tattoo. That's why I was suggesting maybe let her first, so you can see my work, because I'm copy after what I did to you.
For your bikini?
Yes.
I just don't want the bikini to cover it. So
Yeah, so you want on the cheek of the glue?
yeah.
Okay, so it's either you have to make up or you just roll.
Oh,
You roll. And then, so your bikini's kind of here.
yeah.
So you want it here.
I think so.
Okay.
Details in this one, right?
Right.
Side.
Yeah. Like if I go with that one, like the bigger one.
You're fine with it?
Yeah,
I
I'm
mean, I
fine
can
with just
always-
that, and then just having it like dark.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Sounds like a great after brunch
Here, it's been 3 years.
Doing pretty good.
Yes.
I should take a picture.
It's too bad I don't have it, or I would have sent him this.
I love that.
I know.
I got my arm finished. I was like, yeah, I don't want tattoos. But I kind of also wanted this for a while.
painful?
Not really, no. I'm pretty good with pain, so I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good. Because I'm going over a little bit.
Okay.
Could you please tell me which kind of needle and pigment are you using for this procedure?
I use a 5-round needle liner from 5-round liner.
And which pigment?
That's black ink. You want to look in the mirror? Right. So then I can put a Saniderm for the Aftercare. It's a little plastic, so you don't need to wash anything for 3 days. Of course, in the shower, you be careful. Not soak it in, not having any bubble in, because we don't want infection. And then after you can take it out. That's about that.
I love it.
Me too. Right? Oh, that's super cute. Oh, that's cute. Right? I like that. Yeah, great.
The part over the eye, and we were kind of, if possible, would we be able to not get this like
How many passes you are doing?
I'm doing at least 2 to make all the script sharp and nice, because you want the gun. Sometimes 3.
What's the speed of your machine?
I'm at 8.2 actually.
Which pigment are you using right now?
I think I use eternal ink. Thank you so much. The top of the glute, and then it stretch, and then it shrink.
Oh, the heart?
Yes.
Okay.
Right? So the, like, in my opinion, because it's black, it's gonna show even more like. Because when you lay down and stretch or anything, so turn, you want it the left or right side?
Oh, I want it on this side.
Yes, exactly. So, okay. Here, just take it's kind of not too low, but I think it's a low waist. Isn't waist, but waist. Right? So it will sit just on top of the glute.
I want it a little bit more down.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's your part of your choice. For sure. So that's the thing, no scratching. You have your Saniderm, you keep it. Okay. Because after it should be great. I love it. Right? Oh, it looks great. Thank you.
Okay, so she's gonna talk to herself. She said she loves this.
I love it. Thank you.
Yeah, that's cute. That's fun. Good, you're saying some photo. Oh, do you want to make that for your video?
Yeah.
Ladies, hi!
I love my new tattoo.
Audrey, thank you so much for showing how you're doing perfect perm makeup, tattoo, and you handle these beautiful ladies. Can you share with us some advices and experience about a mini tattoo?
Well, first of all, Maria, thank you so much for inviting me into your YouTube story. So yes, today we had 4 ladies that came in and wanted teeny tattoos. They had a bachelorette party today. So anyway, we did fine line work and it was great. A bit stressful, but great.
Yeah, because
That's
it's
fun.
like four ladies here.
Yeah, so it's not the tattoo itself, it's also like tear down the station, so yes, it can take quite a bit of time. However, that was great. We did the black work and we did also with the red ink, which is the red ink might fade a little bit faster. However, I think we're gonna have great result.
Please follow us on Instagram and YouTube. You will find out the link of Audrey Instagram in the link below in the description of this video. And please follow her page and you will see the best work what she's doing in Calgary, Canada. Bye bye.
Thank you.